off when you keep it. Okay, so the shouldn't pack right cares just to verse to 1 minus square root of 3I. I go shouldn't jump. Part 1, the straightforward. Now, plot is said on the and write is said in polar form. Now, raised a plot and write in polar form. So raised thirst to go in a plot. So raised right to none heen. I guess right to she square root 3. So heen dot 3. Now, can you come to square root 3? Probably by cursor the calculator, I guess you to 1 point, could you roughly? 1.7, right? So my to she's could you 1.7 strass and roughly half on shin. I guess shin a plotted or shin the said and shin or the diagram. Okay? Now these can you come shin the I, 2I minus 3I. I guess in the diagram. Now to the quarter to and write in polar form. Now in polar form kai to R obrima. I guess or R big in this case how much or more. I guess kai to Ellen obrima. Now your angle, shin the angle equal own punches all the way half between punches in a shot. Shin the angle in shot. Okay? So shin theta. So karmage alpha into an angle bug steen shot. So we say shin for your alpha. Now you know shot to some bug comes to more so I go shot. Okay? Now raised test could call said cosma 1 minus square root 3I. Malak within in triantan shot. So we have a right angle triangle, test can go shin alpha, test can go shin R, I guess test can go shot tras na heen, I guess got she square root 3. Now into done negative sign. So raised Pythagoras theorem to R squared cosma 1 squared plus square root of 3 squared. R squared cosma j, yeah, cosma kehe, square root 3 for square root 3 and 3 plus he inch in kehe, so to R cosma da. Okay, so test the school R cosma da. Kaimage an angle, so raised shin the hypotenuse, shin the angle, shin the opposite, I guess shin the adjacent. So raised to tan da alpha cosma oh helena there of algebra, which is square root 3 over 1, so to alpha cosma tan to the minus 1 the square root of 3, which the cosmla 60 degrees away, which the cosmla shaska degrees. Now in the shaska go can you come you shouldn't get this in. It does a an angle all the way hard. So raised to theta cosma 3 here shaska degrees minus shaska degrees, which the cosma 3 here degrees. Now he got the screw 3 here degrees, or he got the screw in terms of in radians, which is 5 pi over 6 okay? Now raised screw mod the cash. So raised clinia, so to said in us cosmla da bracket cos the 3 here degrees plus I sine the 3 here degrees. I guess shine jant. So shine in polar form. Well on and you okay listen. Okay? Right. Head part Ellen Chen used the Murphy theorem to show that. So they get a chest bunch. Okay. With the get a chest bunch grow so just call myself Swiss. Grow it said to go to J cosmla minus da equal to nui by 1 minus square root of 3 maybe for I. Right. Now into question shot right to the quarter said so tashi off test can go said cosmla shed. So what said cosmla da bracket cos 3 here degrees plus I sine 3 here degrees. Okay. Now raised to said to go to J cosmla square bracket da bracket cos 3 here degrees plus I sine 3 here degrees. Bracket to the power of 10. Okay. Well, and you okay let's start. So raised in this test will said to go to J cosmla 2 to the power of 10 bracket cos that J immediately for 3h and 3 vile plus I sine 3 vile. What's an okay again? Okay. Now, so can I add image? So shiny basically jante. Now, modern test ma cost the 3 vile you took a J or the calculator. So said to go to J cosmla 2 to the power of 10 so we'll chan bracket cost the 3 vile. So our the calculator because that cost the 3 vile I guess you to minus le plus sine the 3 vile agus you to square root 3 over 2. So plus square root of 3 over 2I. Now, the reached to the get shin and ash arhaguji shaw. How can you right? To the get shin arhaguji shin and ash. Okay, so rud the end. So to say to go to Janish Kodmla. Ran ahan rudder Arkadoshin made for so made shin so shin 2 to the power of 9 made for da. Which is okay, because that's 2 to the power of 10. So 2 to the power of 9 made for da bracket minus hin is going to da plus square root 3 is going to da I. Maar weten ze da is for shin. To my 5 is like 2 to the power of 9 the minus hin plus square root of 3I. Now to make getting the signs at how. To make getting the signs at how, so raise the shin cosma minus da for square root of 9 made for hin minus square root of 3I. And shin a chest punch. You know, shin kial down. Yep. So to the kind of the runch a rubber awkward and shot, did ya? Cushion could wear a give off. But the race just switches by upper mass at the power of 10 as normal. And then just try to rush your sheets and shin could you go wait and rot to the work. Was an okay again. Okay, just for my chance to the screen. So shin kissed over the heat. Kissed over the dot. When you have a the group catches us in here. Find the set of all real values. Now, run your league brahan that you could just more give a wine birch but the hodjal give not a clue. Ma I can test inequality. Right? Ma I can test inequality. Ni small na kodjumna, ni slew na kodjumna. That means to set values to x equals, not just x equals. To set value. So you're going to need to work out two sets of values. So can you shouldn't go in the high. So for example, you have to do x kernel here. Moja x, luja quid jig, ni small na kodjumna 0. Okay? I guess you shall find the set of all real values of x. Right? So here we factorize. So bracket, 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 I guess bracket ni small na kodjumna 0. So you have to do x for x, I guess you have to 3 for quick. Da for 3 shares to quick, so it's a shingle of a plus, the shingle of a minus. Okay? Now, ocean, test goodness equal da x, luja quick, kodjumna 0, da x, kodjumna quick, x, kodjumna quick is gonna da. Now, x plus 3, kodjumna 0, x, kodjumna luja 3. Now, make it the kodjumna kursha equals. So, kaitas is going then, nertimid gobberla inequalities, genimid going a diagram test. So to take minus 3, I guess to take dash gonna quick, or quick is gonna dot, which is 2.5. Times that the curve. It's plus 2x squared, so it's a U-shaped curve. I guess you with test going from your 0. So like x kodjumna 0, test could equal to da for 0 squared plus 0 minus quid jig ni small na kodjumna 0. Minus quid jig ni small na kodjumna 0 to shin brega. Because the shimbrega, that means near 0 more part than solution, so your solution is on opposite ends. Okay, I guess you can go in these out near to the paper screw. So reached opposite ends, so test goodness equal x golive ni slew na kodjumna luja 3, I guess to x golive ni small na kodjumna quick is gonna do. I guess shin the frigger. Ain't straightforward now all? We have last some JV, this is which your house, this is which your b squared minus 4ac. But to reach inequalities, you just solve, test, solution. Solve, test, solution. 3 parts. Yeah? At least points you combination and projection live into scrutiny. Right. Okay, let's part A. Okay, my part B in it. Actually, okay, let's part B. If I could just smoke, I think part B anyway. Then you be for Bala and Gary. It's just practice the other part B. Would you okay la B? I had a new okay la B, yeah, right. So shall I give you a chance? Oh, but my part C, but anyway. Right. Here kiss your lunch and kiss you 3. Okay. So kiss you 3. So sin mar sin níslú so dó se ad kiste 3 ekel, okay? Now dúirte gro Q. Codum la exponential to the minus nimni punch sé in the 3 t is gan quick wheel shart here troha. Okay. Now where Q is the portion of carbon 14 remaining and T is in the age in years of the item. An item is 2000 years old. Use the formula to find the portion of carbon 14 in the item. So task equal T codum la wheel. So subas in the stas with the Q codum e to the minus 0.693 midi for wheel. The leakish gun quick wheel shart here troha. I get to fall Q codum la. I get to nyamni punchy shart art quick here. Something similar to that. Wasn't okay. Now, erasing correct to 4 decimal places. Usually screw a ma hole. I got the whole lot to screw ma. Well, on the okay long head parts, right? Now, so sin part kiss 3 part A. Be quite jig mark off finish up. Okay, which was ridiculous marks. But anyway. Part B. We to file the proportion of carbon 14 item found at lab air counter was 0.3. Now, next touch against doing equal Q cosmos 0.3402. Which the cosmos E to the minus 0.693 T is going quick wheel shart here draw. So we solve. Now, reached can you rated that E made in yet T fa natural log. So to the fall ln that's 0.3402 cosmos ln that E to the minus 0.693 T a leakish gun 5730. Jen can't you screw into shin sheets because the chestband on the examiner could read it in yet T for natural log. Now, reached you to natural log that's 0.3402 cosmos minus 0.969 coming to scale 3 T is gun 5730. And then just solve for T. So raised to T cosmos 5730 natural log that's 0.3402 it ranter minus 0.693. Got a whole lot that's the calculator. I should have figured that. If what does it full marks? Art millets. That'll do. Brilliant. Okay. Art meal and the hits quick brilliant. What's an okay again then yeah? Okay. And I guess agent. Sin part A is part B. Okay. Kishti kehe. Neve has saved to buy a car. She saved an equal amount at the beginning of each month in an account that earned an annual equivalent rate of AER of 4%. Okay. Now, showed that the rate of interest compounded monthly, which is equivalent to an annual interest rate of 4%, is 0.327%, correct to 3 decimal place. So, part of here, we later go for idea card to go so it was 1 plus I to the power of 12. We called 1.04. So she knows we to get each point really. So over 12 months, so raised you to square root 12, so you to 1 plus I, cosmos square root 12 for 1.04 or 1.04 to the power of 1 over 12. Same thing. Okay, so you to I cosmos cubic root or to the power of 12, 04, 1.004 minus 1. I should to I cosmos I guess operation ma is 0.00332 na be 0.00327 and then which is equivalent to R is your rate modified I guess you to 0.327%. Was an okay now ich had part challenge and Kaiti Kinal da I don't think we're in you give short card. We should have track card could you give but if I think this is choreographer doesn't but what does the cat aware now? Huh? Fight the full marks, yeah. So raised funny down the part Neve has 15,000 in an account at the end of 36 months. How much has she saved each month correct to the nearest zero? So raised to the gold back cost la to the several so much a hand V. agus ag jeú trotha sé bhí an sin. So, must meet this how much has she saved each month correct to the nearest euro. So, Jigan Miha. So, to say, well, Abernes Grushi say, well, €3 and me for 36 months. Like during 36 months, she has 15,000 euro saved. Now, Dr. interest doing, I take it go my godless 4% interest at APR 8 parts every year. So Neve has saved to buy so has saved to buy a car. She saved an equal amount at the beginning of each month in an account that earned an annual equivalent rate APR of 4%. So market this is the formula, right? Jane formula this is the for. Yeah, so right, so just try to read the rest because just make it handy. So skrive to SN equals here minus R to the power of N over 1 minus R. Right. So rest A is J. So now we question the B. So A is what we need to quarter is the annual amount, right? So the SN was 15,000. So we switch this to quijig me like to make quarter A, I guess the sigil rate of 1 minus R sin 0. Now raised R is 0.327%, which is 0.00327 to the power of 36. The league is given 1 minus 0.00327. Option league ma solve for A, I guess you to figure that. So we see several see hit me head you. What's an okay again? Okay, fine. I guess we catch journal chin. When you can journal, Connell borrowed to buy a car. He borrowed 15,000 at a monthly interest rate of 0.866%. He made 36 equal monthly payments to repay the entire loan. How much to the nearest euro was each of his monthly repayments? Now, when you part journal and cash charges, I'm just going to new and show right. So the call usage formula, the payments was equal to the full amount of 1 plus I to the power of t. So that's basically the formula to the usage when you can charge. Okay. Now, when full amount was 15,000, it's 1 plus 0.00866. I guess we shouldn't have that. What is it, J, Mars J, when you can see? Just by respect, I do this admission. The argument multiplication formula. A equals B 15,000. What I can do is really, and before into 7, I think that's actually that. He might just means he's got the end balance, not really. So, right, okay. Is this the formula can it reach, be? So, Jane formula this addition just leave module F equals A equals it's an amortization formula this is the right, okay, right. He got the amortization formula said that's one way he get the yen go said balancing different payments. So so Chigamanus he actually dive this is probably the amortization formula is the handiest. So just instant early your tablet then you be adding amortization formula or just instant need for GV on. So P by I medify heat. So and then just leading to Shinisha. So the reached in principle was quijig mile. So the amount of the jail quijig mile for I the I 0.00866 is given 1.00866 to the power of t, so it's an art na be. Art v na be. 36 equal repayments go man so troha she a ligish gan heen point nyamni art she to the power of 36 minus 1 I guess you the figure of 487 euro na be to the carry head almost euro. Okay, right, what's your job my then question myself. Finance I don't like. Change you but anyway, one more for algebra. Right, okay, look on you go. Yeah, right. Then you be in a version, he give a do not say excuses. Now, make the kiss a quick part A and right? Now, sequential chaw hooks at three diagrams to just number show deep, right? Now, to chat which one of the mapping diagram flow is bijective. So king come to n chelga, where chelga, and therefore j chelga. Now, leve n chelga kahi annex a map aguji y differ. So that means that's it, because the x aguji y kern and chen. So that's it, right? Now, make it a cash shot. Quite moji dini. Now to 3 mark at again, so my full marks though, he may go mark at again. Right, so this is actually content, you should have got 0 and right, anyway, we'll get back to that. Right, so figure is actually ever a dot, because the x a map of y. So, but the race behind this mean you continue watch diagram 1. It's not diagram 1 because the x a map of y kernel, so that's it. So niacha n chelga. It can journey niacha where chelga because the y in chenna will map a x. So ni hiklashin niachin where chelga. Kancha tahan x map a y therefore tahan y mapped o x. So the variation shini kanta n chelga against where chelga. Jinsu rotimarat give the full statement to cover yourself in case go mark ni golf on you. Now, could you smoke or screech of every dog tahan x map a y tahan y mapped o x. That's fair enough. But you mention mention all 3 diagrams. Wasn't okay. Alright? Right, my G or short can hide in some or the new give out the logs in it. Right. Fighting head part, limit n g 3. Because the race one you should come you showing us my logs and these should carry all the way. Face the shaft all the way it's gone n minus 3, right? Now market this Halfston which admin kiss check out. Right. Mark this in limit station. So here what could the chat n equals 3. Now I'm going to chat n equals 3 to default 3 cubed minus piece of chart is can 3 minus 3 which the cardinal 0 is can 0 which the undeterminate. So Jin Gaelic we are shan we shall we should dog head can cheer, yeah, that's it. It's INN and TITT. So we should dog here, right? So it's indeterminate. So could you enemy? We factorize. Like Sean Nestor Jammer. We factorize the top line. Okay? Now make this in top line n cubed minus piece of shart. Shin right kernel n cubed minus 3 cubed. Which the cosmla n minus 3 bracket n squared minus or plus n for 3 is 3n, I guess plus 9. So you get down in your chat. So we just factorize, then we factorize, disappear like the right, so then we factorize to n minus 3. Now question back that's the limit. So you have to limit n g 3. So you have to n minus 3, that n squared plus 3n plus 9, a ligiskan n minus 3. Now to shen kalamala shen. So therefore to make limit n g 3, that n squared plus 3n plus 9, which the cosmla 3 squared plus 3 for 3 plus 9, which the cosmla piece of shart. And there's your limit. So it tends towards 27. You think Steve? How go for us, okay? Yes, me all. Yeah, right. Down the part, rubber different. The down the part limit x go g infinity. Okay, now you have to do x carne here minus 3 is going short x carne here plus do. Now, when you can show you now, reached minus infinity, you have to 2 to infinity squared minus 3 is going short infinity squared plus do, which is equal to infinity over infinity reached do henchi. That's a do henchi. Okay, so could you image? Ring ahan rudder jane term small x squared, so ring ahan rudder x squared. So you have to limit x go g infinity that do x squared is going x squared minus 3 is going x squared. The lig is going short x squared is going x squared plus do is going x squared. Now, our armatin is limit in us. The mifakala do minus 3 over infinity is going short plus do had infinity. Divide anything by infinity so to 0. So raise the mifakala do minus 0 is going short minus 0 plus 0 with the cosma do is going short. And there you have it. A limit. It's in the limit journal. Andy, was you okay looking at this? Yeah? Can you go there? Very nice. Right. Right, taking the left factorised fully. So it is from a shijig x equals to k minus she head or she x. Okay. Now, into canción shot, it is out to concentrate gevert. Right? So to go around the whole lot of do x. Okay, so you have to art x cube here minus 3 head carat 3 bracket. Okay, now so shin do x bracket do x cube here minus jv cubic root of 3 head carat 3. So we're into cubic root that 3 head carat 3 I guess you to short. So reached short cubed. Okay, now these go in formulas x cubed minus y cubed. So these task question cosma do x bracket do x minus short bracket car x carne plus car jig x plus calanui. I guess you need that. And there you have it fully factorised part A. Just to show part A. Just to show part B. Could you go for at Maya? Now, to log do the x plus do plus log do the x minus do cosma quick. Now, gogaji the lower table in the plus yeah log good that's multiplication. So task question log do for x plus do maybe for x minus do cosma quick. Now we could you give half we then you wine half disappear the quick all of a sudden. Okay. Now, race medicine the mark you to log do the x carne here luigi care race brackets cosma quick and then we solve. Now, race go back to the lower table formula 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 cosma x carne luigi care. Now 2 to the power of 5 in troha do. So you have to troha do cosma x carne luigi care x carne cosma troha she. So the x cosma plus or minus she. Now when you hear this to be minus, because going to stab minus log, you have to log 2 of minus 4. So therefore x cosma minus she does not work. So figure x cosma she. Okay, now William Morgan just agrees she's x cosma she. There's 2 solutions, one doesn't work, the other one does. So these we could have to do this. Okay, because you will get penalised in the leaving chart. On the screen to she's goal actually yeah figure minus I guess plus, but the 6 doesn't work because you got negative log up. So we could have okay. Right. So part 2 on. solve the equation. Oh, right. So I can run to leak a handle. Right, okay. Now, you to dog with x, now just now my shorty, right? Plus dog for hin minus x, quadrat 3. So short back g dot logs. Now minus x through log she's fine linear. So shin right kernel dog with x plus dog is gone dog with x. Can you go leak shin? So we're to the next needs it's 1 minus quadrat 3. Now, leak dog with x with quadrat y. That's the way to do it. Leak the dog with x with quadrat y. So you have to y plus dog skin y quadrat 3. Made the arrow for y, you have to y squared plus dog quadrat 3y. You have to y squared minus 3y plus dog quadrat 0. Factorize. You have to y for y, hin for dog minus equals minus. So you have to y quadrat hin, y quadrat dog. Now, we're not absolute. X to the quarter. Now to y quadrat 2 to the power of x. So you have to dog worth to x quadrat hin. Task can go dog worth to x quadrat dog to the 0 is 1. So therefore to x quadrat 0. Darnican dog worth to x quadrat dog worth to hin, x quadrat hin. And there you have it. X equals 0, x equals 1. When we leave okay, listen to us. Right. Have a chance to teach in the script. Scary sweet. I'm going to go to contact as you get touched down the part, right, anyway. Right. Right. Hopefully you mature cartness. Right, kiss the shot. What is going on? Right. Now, in Kiss the Charters, a stadium can hold 25,000 people. People attending a regular event at the stadium must purchase a ticket in advance. When the ticket price is €20, the expected attendance at the event is 12,000 people. The result of a survey carried out by the owner suggests that for every €1 reduction from €20 in the ticket price, the expected attendance would increase by 1,000 people. Now, sinna net was a jacket, the Hagin Harterson, extremely screw in algebra. Okay. Now, make it to so to $2 million then you got like a concert, and then for every 1,000 €1 reduction in the price, so Jane reduction we see down the price. So carried out by the owner suggests that for every €1 reduction from €20 in the ticket price, the expected attendance would increase by 1,000 people. Okay. Now, so the ticket, if the ticket price was 18,000, how many people would be expected to attend? Okay. Now, Cormashaha. For your €20, for your €8, that means we reduction So we do the euro. So for every one euro reduction, we get an extra 1,000 people. So that means we make fit in on 2,000 denje plus mille plus mille. That's basically because we had two 1 euro reductions, which is equal to 14,000 people. What's an okay again? Okay. Now that's the easy bit, right? So you J mark off on your shit. Right, part of the door. What then you be door, part of the door. Part B, go miniska. What then you be in formula or screamer she's a formula then you be. So right, so let X be the ticket price where X is less or equal to 20 euro. Write down in terms of the expected attendance at such an event. Right, so just leave then you have to more formula schema she's Stephen shot. Either. So we do me look good. Be here. Right, so that's 20 euro, right? Lose your X, so that means that's could feed 1 euro reductions. Medifa mille, because you get an extra 1,000 medifa mille. Which another you're going to turn. So, most meeting testers and us. My unlimited ticket of 20 euro, we'll get 12,000 people. When you add reduction to X, then we just sum mille elle. Should not be X minus 20, no, 20 minus X. So X is, let X be the ticket price. Oh yes, the ticket price. So smith here showing us, the goddess is shinish jahan behordage 14,000 that the moon ticket price is archig meal. So smith here's their balancing. But the shin archig mass fee, you get 2 euro, 2 by 1,000 is 2,000, which gives you 14,000. So it's an extra and jacket, it's just trial figure the more kites from formula, Kindle Heartland formula screen. Okay, right now, so in part B, so let X be the ticket price where X is less or equal to 20. Write down in terms of X the expected attendance at such an event. So in terms of X. Now, the race chocolate in the screen are 12,000, AV the mark plus 20,000 minus 1,000x. So you do 32,000 minus 1,000x. So let's just say made the more as a very good cost. Okay, was an okay again. Okay, so get part C. Just write down a function f that gives the expected income from the sale of tickets for such an event. So really to the just screen more function. So to f of x, coordinate 32,000 minus 1,000x. What's another deal going? Would you be saying? No. Okay, so write down a function that gives the expected income. So that's your expected income. So they got 32,000. Oh, did we go away this in fa? Shouldn't made dini to go away get concert and we pay by. So kai to shouldn't away the fa 20 minus x because that's good faith and take it go away. It's going to be 20 euro minus. That's your price of the. Is it 20 minus x or be x is it? Try to make you. X is the price of the ticket, so it's going to be x. Maybe for x. Which is okay. So to f of x, coordinate 3,000 x minus 1,000 x squared. And there's your function. Which is okay again. Does that make sense in this? So to make the x, because you multiply by the attendance, formula for the amount of people attending, and then you pay it by whatever the price of the ticket is your x value. Which is okay again. So x made the percent, and there gives you the equation C. Right, part D. Does you find the price at which tickets should be sold to give a maximum expected income? Now to make quite to max, J hoarding me quite to insurance from your local max, local man. The function again. So J can you make max? You make dy dx. So in the case of f dash of x, coordinate. 3 mille minus mille x. Cuirte sin cosma 0. X cosma 0 or cuirte 3 mille going from your local max minus 2000x cosma 0. You to mille x cosma 3 mille so to x cosma shejig. So your maximum attendance, the ticket price should be €16. Fight doesn't figure the cart. If I actually Kieran runs on right Colonel Latza, he kinda worked it out. Use him figure the cart. Find the maximum expected income, so part E. Find the maximum expected income, so raised to the just Linestad the formula. So it's €6 x cosma shejig, so the quarter f is shejig. Which the cosma 3 mille midi for shejig minus mille midi for shejig squared. Position figure doing that. Alright, okay, 32,000 midi for shejig. 512,000 minus shejig squared midi for mille is 256,000. Which in the has 512 I guess you to €256,000. That's your expected income. It's an okay gan in it. So raised to the just lineage the formula. Here part L, part F. Suppose the tickets are instead priced at a value that is expected to give a full attendance at the stadium. Find the difference between the income from the sale of tickets at the price and the maximum income evaluated at E above. Right, when your full attendance means 25,000 dinne. Okay, so Tesla gets a goal 32,000 minus 100 x Galway cosma 25,000. Na be o me cartla sin í anu no. Yeah, I suppose good job, I suppose. So to x cosma to the giddy full of more faith and price to take it at full attendance. So you do 25 more since sharp €1,000 cosma mille x, so to x cosma sharp euro. Okay, now with the x cosma sharp euro, fade to the golal, so f of 7 cosma 3 mille midi for sharp minus mille for 7 squared. Because we didn't figure doing the 3 mille midi for sharp. Sin €9 €1,000 minus €9,000. With the cosma minus €9,000, I should figure the €175,000. Okay, so when can the wine your mask canilla, I should differ the archig or €1,000,000. Okay, so a difference of 81,000. Must legal okay listen. Part journey, A B C D E F agus G. Okay, the stadium was full for a recent special event. 2 types of tickets were sold: a single ticket for €16 and a family ticket, 2 adults and 2 children for a certain amount. The income from the event was 365,000. If 1,000 more family tickets had been sold, the income from the event would have been reduced by 14,000. Right, so the year maths legend is to get the book Sean Shaw. Okay, would have been reduced by 14,000. How many family tickets were sold? Right, we're done, you be Shaw. Right, so into question Shaw. So stadium was full for a recent special event. 2 types of tickets were sold. A single ticket at €16. Right? Now, and a family ticket. So these kaitikin that formula laka full of feed the bean. So kaitikin the formula is skrive ma formula skrive ma and then solve for x and y. That's basically what the height the is. Okay, Right. Before you can any yet and bell really much and you might be tasha. Try as you need not just for the crack. I know go to study as well, but me want you fall we go over and then clean image of paper somewhere. I guess the shin the cat in you with paper 2, I guess the dean you with paper 2. Also okay. On your wrong journal the dean you be? No, so this is the words wrong journal Moira's full no words. Oh no, it's okay Moira well. Right, okay. So do you take all the cat in? So the wrong journal going to cat in you? I guess Jason got the dean. Oh, yes, she's happy to that. Yeah. Huh? Okay. Oh, that's the party next, right? Okay, right, that makes sense. Oh, well, it was very easy to remember. Then we lost a lot anyway, and it's her margins and all that away to see up what's it. But the sheets of all the more, and they should use the ball at that JD. I just and see that JD, and I don't know, here we go, what's running, we go, I get it. What I feel was nuts. What that was fun. How you should tell people. Yet part here going to the Napan the words to the Moira. When you words so to the word oh, what? Oh, just in the box. Aye, we should all in the shop. Okay, yeah, me. Words and with the gym, and why that like it should be alright. And then we can show you that. We'll make the shop while we don't have to do she getting touched with the monster, can't run the monster, she getting touched out down the wrong. Malcolm to her show, right? We're going to move the gym from the water and let us go to listen to the channel and she should be a 6 or marching. I mean, she hit the sea wrong the marching. She didn't touch it in the middle. And past 9 cats last night. It's a 3-hour paper lecture. So EJ, can you go eagle up? So she should be a match part of that. But no, just for investigation. So I'm going to hit sea wrong by that. Okay, right. Priorities, they content in your life.
Yeah, everything's cross-linked. Two people, two guys. You want some of this? You only share right here, did?
That's the mobile. Plenty hard. We ain't so fun in action.
Okay. Right, last year.
Okay. Right. Tallest chassis, go Liam. Do the tallest chassis. Go move it. Yeah. Let's go in and screw the physics. Leave them where they're at now. Where they're at. Okay. Okay, let's go and screw the physics in the journey. That's it. Where they're at. Ken Tom was she's run awards and why that? I think that's it. Huh?
Well, left before I get.
Yeah.
Right, I did.
Huh? Centre That's my favorite position. Centre my unit and ready. Centre
Never.
No, I'm not going to move the break point. Break back, break. Might be goalkeeper. I'm not goalkeeper. Right. So that changes everything from strength to the graphics. Right. Continue. That's the kid wrong margin. Continue. That's it. In the words, margin you get juniors. Get that received into churches and run it. And then can go for matches every bit. Isn't it like that bit?
It's not too there, anyway.
Doesn't lie. Right, open. Right. Then we do all it, because Ryan would read. Now, 10 chapters are like clean going because Tasha screwed this again. So we need to get the shaft in again, let's show how to. That means the kid are wrong again. Eh? Could you run? Yeah, Martin, but the could you match on? So, skin me, I got some ways to test. Eh?
Chapter sounds up.
Okay. Now you want we can screw to that. No, this is granted. That's definitely on the test. That's something we did. Because we're experiments. Yeah, so I don't think it was like the new one, lads. So